Hello everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm doing your third week of May readings start from the 15th through the 21st of May 2020. This is going to be for this sign of Cancer. So let's find out what is coming up for Cancerians for this week time, which has already started. And I will be adding charms and I will be pulling out oracle cards in this reading as well. So stay tuned and let's begin. While I'm shuffling the cards, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there. So just pick whatever is resonating and leave the rest. For personal readings, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box, and you can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. And I will be adding the link in the comment section to my other channel where I do upload Hindi readings along with the link to my sister's channel too. So if you like it, you can become a part of that, those two YouTube channels as well. So let's get started. Let's see what is heading towards you guys for this week time. Let's begin. Seven of Pentacles pair up with the Death. Somebody is finally giving up on something that they don't see growth at all. It can be a job situation. Somebody feels like walking away from it. It can be a relationship for some of you, but something that you believe is getting you nothing, and it's just taking a lot from you. I feel like it's a work life situation for majority of you, but yes, it can be a relationship situation too. A relationship, if it is especially if you are stuck in a relationship where your person is dealing with another person, the third party situation, if that's the case, I feel like you are going to finally realize that this connection is not heading anywhere. So you are going to walk away from this person, you are going to walk away from this connection, you are going to end this cycle that you have been having with this person, maybe for some of you, and you are going to walk away. You really want to put an end to one thing so you could move forward with your life, and leaving whatever it is not serving you well in any way, emotional wise, mental, if we talk about the mental stability, mental happiness, emotional happiness, fulfillment, nothing is whatever that you are doing right now is not getting you that at all. So you are ready to leave it behind, cut ties with it, because you really want to have all those things that you find missing in your life right now, which you are feeling lack of right now. Let's see more cards. The Hermit pair up with King of Swords. So finally somebody is going to have some sort of clarity as you walk towards the end of the week. As soon as you give up on it, it can be you leaving a job, it can be you leaving a person, it can be you leaving a situation, it can be you leaving a mental block and thinking through things straight. Be that about a person, relationship, it's more you are finally having some sort of clarity as you walk away from this. In the middle, so I'm recording this video on the 17th of May, so maybe around the 19th of May, I feel like you are going to start having some sort of clarity. What do you want? What do you wish for? So the first half of the week is going to be like where you are giving up on something. You are done with it. You really don't want to deal with it any longer. And then you start thinking, what are the options that you are having? What are the things that you can do to come out of this situation? You are going to find some sort of hope. You are going to find some sort of clarity. You are going to find some sort of guidance coming from a person, coming from within, coming from a situation, which is going to help you see through clearly about yourself, about your future, about about a particular person, relationship, whatever it is. So definitely this week is going to be something, especially the second half of the week is going to be very crucial for you in terms of you deciding what do you want to do next and following the path that you are being guided towards. Let's take more cards from the top of the deck. The Empress pair up with Ten of Swords, Eight of Wands, and the Knight of Pentacles. Underneath the deck you do have the Ten of Wands. Underneath that you do have the Seven of Cups. So definitely you are coming out of some sort of lack of clarity into the clarity now, and you are moving forward towards what you need to do to walk towards your dreams, to get close towards what you want in your life. And whatever it is that you're doing right now, it's not taking you anywhere closer to that. So something is going to be left behind, people, relationship, things like that. And then only you will be seeing through clearly, and you are going to have some sort of guidance coming from a person. You do see some growth moving towards a person. It can be a new person, it can be a person that who is going to guide you through this, whole process. um, it will be different for different people. Let's take some clarifier about this person. Who is this person, and what is it going to be like between you and this person? Let's see. Empress clarified with Empress. So hold on. For some of you, you are going to pursue a connection for a serious long-term committed relationship. I feel like you not taking relationship serious or one person serious, um, that too is going to change for some of you. You are going to realize that you really have to have some sort of support coming from emotional support coming from a person that is going to belong to you forever. So I feel like somebody is definitely having a clarity around a person as well, where you are going to realize that you really need to be in a hold on. I feel like you're gonna realize that you really need to put your guards down against a person, against a relationship situation for some of you, because you are going to realize that you letting your guards down and you letting this person take you forward, or lead you forward, is going to bring you what you want, or is going to bring you the growth that you desire and seek within you and in your career and in other areas of your life as well. So I feel like somehow there is this one person who you are looking up to for guidance, for a clarity, I would say. I feel like this person could be somebody very intuitively strong as well. So I feel like whoever this person is, um, this person is going to help you get done with whatever it is that you're not ready to leave behind right now. This person could be somebody you already know. This person could have some sort of age difference between you and them. If not, then this person is very mature and you are not, or this person can see the things that you cannot see. Now that could come because of the experience that they might have in that area of their life, or maybe it's just the age difference, or age the way you perceive things and they perceive things. I feel like this person is pretty much mature to handle the situation that you are in right now. So you might seek guidance from this person, and this person is going to be prove themselves to be the one for you. I feel like this person is going to be very important for you in order to help you grow as a person, not individually but mutually as well. I do see that there is something more to offer in this new connection. When I say new, it doesn't have to be new. It is like establishing a new connection with someone that you already know. That's what I'm picking up. But yes, this person is going to make you leave behind some things in your life. For some of you, this person could be somebody that you already know, as in maybe you work together, maybe you have this this person is somebody who has been with you for some time already. I feel like this person is somebody who knows what are the things that you're doing wrong, and this person is going to help you come out of those things. If it's a bad relationship, they are going to help you come out of it. If it's a bad job situation, they are going to help you come out of it. If it's a bad situation overall in your life that you want to break free from, this person is going to help you with this. So whoever this person is going to be, this is going to be the guiding light for you in this time and frame of your life, where you really need that hope, light, guidance coming from another person, so you could come out of it in a better way, and you could see through things the better way as well. So let's take Oracle cards now. Let's see what the Oracle has to add to the reading for you guys for this sweet time. Let's take the middle one. Religious factors. Your love life is influenced by your religious upbringing and spiritual path. For some of you, I feel like this person is very spiritual. I don't know. I did pick up with the energy of this person, with the High Priestess and the Empress coming twice. It seems like this person is somebody who's very intuitive, and this person not just can guide you, but they can make or manifest things for you as well. So whoever this person is, don't feel shy to ask or seek guidance from this person. Whoever it is, it's your boss, it's your friend, it's your, it's somebody who is older to you, whatever the case may be. Just seek guidance, because this person can help you a lot with whatever that is going on in your life right now that you really need to break free from. Let's take one more card. Let's see what it has to add to the reading. Let's pull one card from the middle. Let's begin. Manifest your dreams. I feel like you cannot manifest your dreams. This person is going to manifest it for you. So again, if you need guidance, seek guidance from this person. If you are stuck in a situation where you don't have anybody who you can rely upon, like this person, the Empress, the Emperor, I would suggest you to seek out for help from a tarot reader or anybody who is into spiritual stuff. So a psychic person. That person is going to help you manifest what you want to manifest, will help you manifest that pulling away from this one thing which is not serving you well right now. You really need to pull yourself out of it. So if you cannot do that yourself, and if you don't have this person as of now in your life, you can seek guidance from a tarot reader, me, or any other tarot reader as well, to help you manifest what you desire for yourself. So with this card here, manifest your desires, dreams. You are ready to go. There is no need for additional preparation. Take the first steps towards the changes you desire, even if they are small steps. Notice signs that guide you in the right direction, as well as resources and support that miraculously appear. So again, if you are stuck, if you are tired being in a situation which is not serving you well, look for signs, look for guidance, seek guidance. If you need any help, seek help, and then set yourself free from this one situation, be that in love life, home life, work life situation. There is going to be support coming forward for you if you seek it. If you see this, seek the signs coming from the universe, you will know that this person is the one who is going to help you with it. Let's take the charms now. Let's see what the charms has to add to the reading for you guys. So you do have two alphabets, P and V. P and a V. So these could be the name initials of the person that you are dealing with, or it could be your own name initials. And then weakness is a choice. So whatever it is that you feel is keeping you stuck right now, it's a choice. You have been stuck in this situation because you didn't have the courage enough to walk away from it. But this person is going to help you to come out of it, and this person is going to become the strength that you need right now. Eight of Cups. You really have to walk away from something. Really, really, really. It can be a third-party situation. It can be a relationship which has a triangle situation in it, which is not serving you well at all. So it can be a job situation which is again not making you feel satisfied. You really need to walk away from it. Have the clarity what is it that you really desire for yourself. Then the support will come through. You do have love and support from this person, whoever it is. It can be somebody that you already know. It can be somebody in your close circle. This person is going to be helping you a lot to come out of this situation. So seek guidance from this person, whoever it is. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for this week time. If the reading resonates with you, to like, subscribe and share. If you are willing to get a personal reading, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye bye.